Enough!
We live in a time of highly visible anti-racism. Today, fluency in the language of systemic racism against Afro-Americans and other groups, a topic previously relegated to the shadowy edges of polite public conversation, is now almost a passport to mainstream respectability. Unfortunately, much of the national conversation comes to a screeching halt at the mention of one seriously anti-racist word: reparation. A Time to Repair restarts the conversation about reparation to Afro-Americans, a conversation that began in the church, and places it exactly where it belongs, in the very Protestant institutions still enriched from trading in flesh, distorting Christian theology, racializing politics, and stealing labor. A Time to Repair demonstrates why reparation is distinctly Christian business and is possible. It offers individuals, churches, and other organizations an opportunity to play a leading role in reforming national culture and theological education by first acknowledging Protestantism's role as a key partner in the business of slavery, and second, by pointing a way forward through specific objectives in education, advocacy, and economic responsibility. Join us, and together, let us proclaim that now is the time to repair.